More breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated the new terminal in Guwahati, the airport. This terminal is 7 times bigger and has been built for the future, as per what the government says. Now, the Prime Minister has inaugurated another terminal at the Guwahati airport. He's also unveiled the statue of the first CM of Assam, Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi, at the Guwahati airport. Remember, Bordoloi is seen as the architect of modern Assam, and now Guwahati's airport has a terminal that's 7 times bigger than all the others. Here's a report.
मोदी जी केवल भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं हैं, वो 21वीं सदी के भारत की विकास यात्रा की सारथी हैं। उनके नेतृत्व में भारत ने वह आत्मविश्वास पाया है जिसके कारण आज देश बड़े सपने देख रहा है और उन्हें साकार भी कर रहा है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी एक ऐसा प्रधानमंत्री हैं जो गरीब का दर्द भी जानते हैं और ग्लोबल टेबल पर भारत की बात मजबूती से रखना भी जानते हैं, जो सपनों को संकल्प है और संकल्प को सिद्धि बनाने में जानते हैं। मोदी जी ने सत्ता को सेवा बनाया, राजनीति को राष्ट्रनीति बनाया और भारत को विश्व पर गर्व से के साथ खड़ा होने का मौका दिया।
Now, this airport in Guwahati, this particular terminal was inspired by nature. It's built at a cost of around 4,000 crore rupees, and this new terminal is built as the largest airport terminal in Northeast India. It's also a key driver of connectivity, tourism and economic growth. Interestingly, we're learning that the architecture and decor have drawn heavily from the cultural and natural heritage of Northeast India. It's also the first nature-themed airport terminal in Assam today. The interiors celebrate the region's rare orchids, reflect the texture and also the warmth of bamboo, as you can see. Now, this particular terminal has already been widely discussed for its distinctive architecture, its design. The fact that it's the largest airport terminal in Northeast India today, it's 7 times larger than the existing terminals as well, is what we're learning, and is designed to meet the region's growing aviation and connectivity needs. Now, once this particular terminal is fully operational, interestingly, it's going to be handling 13.1 million passengers per year. And by 2032, it will achieve that, is what reports say.